We're building the Lego Disney Castle. In celebration of 100 years of Disney, Lego put out this castle a couple years ago, and it has been on the top of our Lego bucket list ever since. This is the biggest Disney set we've ever built.
8 hours and 40 minutes later, we have this beauty. And we've got all of our couples down here. We've got 4 sets. Tiana and Naveen, Snow White and Florian, Cinderella and Prince Charming, and Rapunzel and Flynn.
You can see there's the teacups and
Mrs. Potts and Chip, and the library with the rose from Beauty and the Beast, and you've got the shoe from Cinderella. There's a little like painting, it looks like Rapunzel's painting in the tower, and there's some like references to Mulan and Pocahontas and other princesses, which is really cool.
Yep. I rate it 10 out of 10.
I'm Red.
And I'm Skipper.
Stay tuned.